Hello friends, welcome back to this brand identity design course. In this video, we will discuss the introduction to Adobe Illustrator. But before that, please like, share and hit the subscribe button. This will help me create more videos like this. Adobe Illustrator is a powerful vector graphics editor tool used by designers and professionals to create various visual content from logos to illustrations to complex artwork and marketing materials. But before diving into Adobe Illustrator, it is important for us to know why it is different from Photoshop and other tools, and why we need it in our brand identity design. Although there are also alternative tools like Affinity Designers, CorelDRAW, Inkscape, Sketch, and Figma. But personally, I love working with Adobe products because of the flexibility to move one design from one Adobe product to another. For example, working in Adobe After Effects, Adobe Premiere Pro, Blender, and the likes. Let's look at the comparison between Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. For example, Illustrator software is a vector-based, while Photoshop is a pixel-based software. Scalability in Illustrator is infinite and with loss of quality, while it is limited in Photoshop. Illustrator is used for logos, icons, and illustrations, while in Photoshop, it is used for photos, textures, and detail shading. Now let's look at the illustration dashboard. Just like we did in our Photoshop for brand identity design, Adobe Illustrator also has similar layout but with few changes. The main workspace area is where you create your artwork. You can add multiple artboards in a single document by going to File, New, and setting the desired numbers of artboards you want. Located at the top of the screen, the menu bar contains options like File, Edit, Object, Type, Select, Effects, View, Window, and Help. Just like we have in Photoshop, but the only thing different here is the object in the menu bar. The object menu in Adobe Illustration provides tools to manage and modify objects in your design. Key options include transform, arrange, group and ungroup, lock and unlock, expand, path, blend, and clipping marks. Directly below the menu bar, we have the control panel, which displays options based on the selected tool or object. On the left side of the screen, we have the tool panel that contains all tools needed to create and edit artwork. We have key sections on the tool panels like the selection tools. Under the selection tools, we have the selection tool itself for moving and selecting entire objects. We also have direct selection tool to select and modify anchor points and path. We also have group selection tool used to select objects within a group. We also have the drawing and shape tools. For example, we have the pen tool to create precise path using anchor point. We also have pencil tools to draw freehand paths. We also have shape tools such as rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line segment tool, and others. We also have the type tools for creating and adding text to artboard. We have the area type tool to fill shape within text. We also have type on a path tool to add text along a path. We also have the paint and fill tools. Under the paint and fill tools, we have the paintbrush tool to create freehand strokes. We also have blob brush tool to create and fill shape. We also have eraser tool to erase part of objects. We have fill and stroke to set object fill color or stroke outline. Under the modification tools, we have the rotation tool to rotate objects around a point. We have the sketch tool to resize objects. We also have the shade tool to slant object, and we have the width tool to adjust the width of a part dynamically. We also have other tools that are very important, especially the eyedropper tool to sample colors or style from other objects. We have the gradient tool to edit gradient fills on objects. We also have the shape builder tool to combine and subtract the shapes of objects. Now located at the right side of the screen is the property panel, which offers context-sensitive properties for the current selection object or tool. The common properties include fill and stroke, where you change color and width, appearance, where you adjust opacity, effect, and more. Then we have transform, where you scale, rotate, and position a object. We also have the layer panel, which is good for organizing artwork, especially in complex design. We also have the Pathfinder panel, which provides more advanced option for dividing and reshaping objects. In our next video, we will discuss these panels and the tools one by one. If you find this post valuable, please like and share and hit the subscribe button. This will help me to create more videos like this. See you in the next post.